You don't need to be an author or illustrator to publish children's books and make money online. Thanks to AI, you can now generate entire storybooks using just a few smart tools, and Amazon KDP handles the sales. This method requires zero inventory, zero prior experience, and zero upfront investment. It's a faceless, automated business model that's already making thousands per month for creators around the world. Here's how you can start today. First, open ChatGPT and prompt it to write a children's story for a specific age group, theme, and tone. For example, say, write a 500-word story for kids aged 4 to 7 about a rabbit who learns to share. You'll get an adorable story with a beginning, middle, and moral ending within seconds. If the result isn't exactly what you want, ask ChatGPT to revise it or generate a few variations. You can even go deeper by creating a character profile first and asking ChatGPT to build a series of stories around that character. This helps you build a brand later. Once you're happy with the story, it's time to bring it to life visually. Open MidJourney or dollmiddle.e and describe each scene from the story as a separate prompt. For example, a friendly cartoon rabbit giving a cookie to a sad squirrel under a tree. Be specific about the art style, colors, and setting. Most creators use a consistent style throughout the book. This helps with branding and creates a better experience for kids. After generating your images, download them in high resolution. Now you'll need to format your story and images into a printable layout. Go to Canva and choose a blank 8.5 by 8.5 inch template, which is a popular format for children's picture books. Import your text and images, then arrange them page by page. Make sure the text is easy to read and the visuals aren't overcrowded. You can also use BookBolt if you prefer pre-made templates and more publishing tools. Once your interior is done, design a bright and engaging book cover. This is crucial. Most customers judge children's books by their covers. Use bold fonts, vibrant colors, and keep the title simple but memorable. Now head to kdp.amazon.com and create your free account if you haven't already. Start a new paperback project, upload your manuscript and cover, and enter your book details. This includes the title, subtitle, author name, and a compelling description. Use keywords that parents would actually search for, phrases like bedtime story, kids book about sharing, or storybook for toddlers. These keywords help Amazon rank your book and get it in front of buyers. Next, set your pricing. Most AI-created children's books sell between $6.99 and $9.99. Amazon offers up to 70% royalties, meaning you keep around $2 to $5 per sale. That adds up quickly if your book starts ranking well. Now hit publish and wait for your book to go live. Once it's live, promote it on Pinterest, Instagram, or TikTok using a few simple posts that show your illustrations and mention that it's AI created. There's a growing trend of readers fascinated by AI-generated content, and they're more likely to try out something new. If the book gains traction, create a series by using the same main character in multiple stories. Amazon favors series because they increase customer retention. Some AI publishers make hundreds of dollars a month from just one series, and when they scale to 10 or more books, their monthly income easily reaches $3,000 or more. The beauty of this method is that once your book is live, it becomes passive income. You don't have to print, ship, or store anything. Amazon handles all logistics while you earn royalties from anywhere in the world. And the more books you publish, the more chances you have to earn. With AI doing the heavy lifting, writing, illustrating, and even formatting, your role becomes that of a creative director. you guide the tools and make smart publishing decisions. And because the costs are so low, the barrier to entry is virtually gone. Anyone with an internet connection can build a digital book business using ChatGPT, MidJourney, Canva, and Amazon KDP. In 2025, digital publishing is being transformed by AI, and now is the time to get in early. This side hustle can grow into a real business, fully remote, scalable, and automated. The sooner you start, the sooner your first book goes live, and possibly your first sale.